from the rules so that they can understand better. When we said chances of Pirates going into the next round or winning the case are slim. Here are the rules. They said registration and qualification of players. It's an online system that they do registration. The federation will receive a link and a password communicated by CAF in order to fill on the internet the following information: number of the jersey, number of the jersey of the player, nationality, name of the player that appears in his official national identity documents, the surname as well, the complete date of birth, everything, and then the home address, confirmation from the doctor, the name of the last club in which the player was registered, the country of the last club in which the player was registered, ITC, which is International Transfer Certificate, should be uploaded, and then the number and the date of registration of the player's license in his own association. Lastly, it will be the clear photograph of the player will be uploaded. The said information should be filled in accordance to the present regulation. After the deadlines, the system will not accept any registration. This is very important. After the deadlines, the system will not accept any registration. So the system closes itself, including the PSL one. As I said, PSL uses Scrabble. CAF uses CMS, which is Competition Management System. So the two systems cannot allow you to register. Mazola, you know, when you PSL says on the 30th, it's closing date. You can't come on the 31st or on the 1st and want to register. The system is closed. Although the SAFA one, which is my SAFA, sometimes it accepts people to register outside the window period or outside, the window period. But then where will you play? Because if you play a player who registered outside the window period, that player is ineligible. So the system here, CAF, here CMS, cannot allow. So if you talk of player ineligibility, it means one should have broken this rule, uploaded the player outside. Well, if there's other factors of fraudulent, but you can see it's clear. Once you are uploaded, you receive a card. That card is your license to play the CAF matches. Hence, we say, Hariboni case is strong. And then Haritago coach, Babangabari, no, Banselakad Salad, coach, Hana influence. When we talk of influence, we're talking of direct influencing the results, which is scoring the goals. He does not score goals. Maybe we can say indirect influence. Unalion, but direct influence which will change the outcome of the match. Hanayon. Maybe get the semantics, listen what the meanings of words, because I'm not English, but I will try to say coach Hana direct influence on the results because he does not play. So we cannot suspend the team or ban the team because the coach was on the bench, but he can be fined for misconduct. So that is how the rules are structured. So in terms